This is a capture race challenge for white. If you're more experienced, if you're a mid-down player, you can solve this problem in like a couple seconds, right? It should be pretty obvious, the main moves. White is very short on liberties. If you allow black to connect here, now apparently white will be short. Of course, black can just save this stone as well, depending on what white plays here. But the main idea is that white will be short. This should be very easy to see. But even if white is not short, white should occupy this point. This is just the key point, because now black is very short on liberties, both these 3 stones and these 2 stones. So that's why number 1 here is very important. And this throw in is also very important. If you do not play the throw in, now there's actually nothing for white to play. White will just get captured this way. And this is definitely not going to work for white. By throwing in here, white will have this Atari and standing down. After white's descent here, black can no longer come in from either side. So black essentially only has 2 liberties left, right? So this side won't work, and this side will not work either. So this is a 3-on-2. White will be able to capture these 4 stones first, and of course, these 7 stones will also be dead. So this is the sequence. Number 3 is really key, right? Sacrificing a stone. And this is the type of thing you should calculate for, because this is so clean. It's such a clean killing of your opponent's stones. You should always calculate whether you can Atari here and stand down and prevent your opponents from coming in from either side. So it should be pretty straightforward. But if you have any questions, please let me know. Thank you for watching.